Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So today is non-farm payroll news, and that could be a very big news event this time because we haven't had that news in a few months because of the US government shutdown. So it definitely could have a really large effect on the market. We are sitting around this 90% area that I've been talking about as possible resistance. It is pulling back at this area, and if it does, go down and give us a break of structure, then that is a top on likely the weekly time frame, which is a very big deal. But we don't really know that that's a top until it actually does all that. I mean, anything we see to the downside, we still need to kind of assume could just be a pullback within the uptrend, because as always, the trend is definitely your friend. And when you start speculating tops and bottoms, that's when you usually get into a lot of trouble. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, yeah, it definitely is turning down pretty hard. But do we really know whether this move down is a pullback within an uptrend or whether it's just going to keep on going down? For me, the 2 hour time frame structure will have definitely help confirm a much bigger move to the downside. If it goes down and breaks that, then great. We'll definitely become bearish probably for the next several months if we get these big breaks of structure on the daily to 4 hour time frame. If it doesn't, like I said, we kind of need to assume anything we see to the downside is just a pullback within an uptrend until we do start getting some of these very big, significant breaks of structure that we do not have yet. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.